Hi everybody, welcome to Khong Driving, and today is a very exciting day because with me is Gilbert. Say hi, Gilbert.
Good morning. Hi.
And that camera's
Yes.
looking at you. Okay, so Gilbert is the owner of this 9-year-old, right?
Yep.
9-year-old A7 with some very slight modifications. Basically, it's got about 40% or 50% increase in horsepower, if you call that slight. We are going to check this car out on our favorite hill climb. It's got 20-inch wheels with Michelin P Pilot 4 Sport, yeah?
Correct.
And we have a willing driver, a willing passenger, and a very nice car with all-wheel drive. Now, horsepower is about, how much is it, Gilbert?
Stock is 300.
Stock is 300. Used to be 300.
That's correct. And it is now at about 510.
510. Okay, 305. Hey, that's 60% way. All right. So we're going to see how 510 horses behaves. The brakes are still standard. Shock absorbers are standard but new. Standard, right?
Yes, correct.
And so far we're just driving it slowly on the highway. It feels good. It doesn't feel like it's a wild animal or anything like that. And of course it's got all-wheel drive, which is good. Now the A7 is what I would call a fast cruiser. Yeah. And we will see what we can do on this car. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to shift it to manual, and we'll keep traction control on for a bit. If the traction control protests too much, then I'll just ask Gilbert to turn it off. Yeah, the switch is right down there, very convenient. And we seem to be meeting a lot of trucks these few days. Yeah, what I heard is that after the CMCO started, a lot of these trucks are flying off the shelves, and that's because a lot of people are going to small businesses, and moving things is one of them. Okay, so we are at the Genting exit. We have one last bit of sane driving. Okay, just let me check it out a little bit on this corner. It's a 7-speed DCT. Yeah, DSGs are only for Volkswagens. Yeah, a couple of times the sun will be in my eyes. Okay, that was second gear, not so good. Looks like we have to use third a lot. We'll see. Okay, we are at the guard post, and we're in second gear. Okay, here we go. So maybe I won't be talking a lot, yeah? If the car is very fast, I don't have time to talk.
Let's enjoy it.
Very nice.
hear the supercharger spooling up.
Yes.
Right? Sounds like an electric car a bit too. Right?
Okay, there's a truck in the corner. Yep, we are clear. Motorbike and a truck.
2 trucks.
2 trucks. Another bike. He's going to take a line. Okay. Okay, they're doing some construction here, so we have to slow down for this one. Okay, there's a car coming out. He saw us. Yeah, he saw us. All right, guys. So we're at the first roundabout, and the car actually handles very well, Gilbert. Well done. Okay, I'm going to take a bit of water. It's very thirsty work, guys. And we're going to let the car cool down a little bit. Okay, so in case you missed it the first time, this is a 3-liter engine, right?
Yeah.
It's a V6, and of course it's double overhead cam, so it's quad cams on both sides. And it has a supercharger, not a turbo. And so basically what Gilbert has done is he has done a 2 pulley change. Yes, that means the drive pulley is changed to a bigger size, so that one gives it a bit more grunt, and also the driven pulley, which is on the supercharger side, is also reduced. So it's like a double whammy kind of thing, where you get increase on both sides. Okay, that was in manual, and momentarily we lapsed into a corner in 5th gear. So I like this gearbox, it doesn't shift down. Yeah.
Yeah, it's how they still did the cars in the
In
beginning,
back
right?
the old days, yes. And then
you
after that it went crazy.
Yeah, but you notice also the DSG wasn't a problem.
Yeah.
Sorry, the traction control wasn't
Yeah,
a problem.
wasn't a problem, yeah.
Right, they've gone too safe now.
So the light came on a bit, you know,
Yeah.
but it didn't interfere too much.
Yeah.
So it's okay. But I think for this one we have to turn it off, because the steering angles are too big. Yeah, so for this part of the hill climb, we are turning off traction control. Okay, it's off. Thanks, Gilbert.
You're welcome.
And we hope that the traffic is not too heavy. Okay, this is the last hump on the road. And usually you cannot time this or do very much because of the traffic. See, like in this first corner, we already have 3 cars, and okay, and just for interest sake, guys, this exhaust is stock.
No.
No.
Okay, you didn't really ask me. So, yes, it is stock, but from what I can see, the previous owners actually changed the exhaust to an S7 exhaust.
Ah.
Yeah. But he hasn't changed anything else. So the catalytic converter
It's still there.
still there, and the mufflers are still the same.
And that's why it's so muted.
Yeah, though the S7 actually has the similar system as the Valvetronic that opens and closes the valves if you're in sports mode or drive mode. But the A7 doesn't have it, so it's not
So
connected.
it's an improvement.
Yeah, and it's not connected. So, but I've got the valves constantly open. But I like the drone of it. It's not loud. It's not aggressive. It's a very gentlemanly type of
Yes.
AC exhaust.
Yes, I like it. Very refined.
Correct. Yes. Like the owner.
Okay, there's a truck in the corner. Yep, he will give us the line. Thank you. We'll go on the outside a little bit. And here's where you need traction control off, because the steering angle is a lot. I actually shifted up mid-corner. Truck.
Oh, that's fun.
Okay, there's a hump in the road. We have to keep to the left. Otherwise, the car will jump.
plenty of cars.
Yeah. And we are here. All right. Nice. Good car. Gear shifts a little bit on the slow side, but it's okay lah. We can live with it. Okay, so we'll wait for Mark. Okay, we have to keep moving because the brakes are hot.
It's okay, just keep driving slowly. We'll just let them know that we're slow. We're going to start slowly driving down now, so just follow you.
Hey, when will you follow?
Okay.
Alright, there you go.
Okay, found you.
Yeah, we've been waiting here for about 5 minutes. Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, that was Mark, who actually has another camera on the car from the back, and we'll see what kind of footage we get. But anyway, guys, let's do a quick wrap up. So first of all, we must thank Gilbert for the loan of the car. It's lovely, Gilbert. Love it, man, love it. Now I know why my friend was so gung-ho about the A7 many years ago. He said that's his favorite car. And I think it was featured in a movie, right?
Yeah, in a couple, yeah.
Yeah, in a couple
one of
of
the James Bond movies. It was also in the back somewhere.
And I think, yeah, this was featured in a movie, and I liked it very much. I didn't like the shape at first, but, well, now that I know what it can do, I love it. Okay, guys, that was the A7. Lovely car. And so we know that we don't really have to do very much. Stock suspension, and this is the A7 Sport exhaust, and S7 exhaust, and 20-inch wheels, which are standard, and standard 4-pot brake calipers, fixed calipers in the front, and single floating caliper at the back. Yeah, the back braking only accounts for about 20% of the braking, and it's basically just to keep the car in a straight line. 80% of the braking is in the front, and it's a lovely car, very well balanced, and we had traction control on and off. It didn't make a lot of difference, but I think it did in the second level because the turn angles were a bit hard, and traction control definitely would have come on. Alright guys, so once again, thanks very much for being with us, and we hope to give you more of these type of videos. Alright, say bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.